Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My bad for being MIA, but I'm back and I'm better. So today's video is going to be on this unit that I'm rocking from AliBele Hair. I'll be sure to link all their information down below. Before I get into the specs about this wig, let me tell you, it gave me a run for my money. This has been the most challenging unit for me to work with. Not anything in particular to do with the company or the hair. It's that I think they sent me a extra small cap construction because this wig is running small on my head. I'm going to look in the notes on my phone so I can tell you all the info that you will want to know about this hair, and then I'm going to show you guys a clip of how I struggled to adhere this wig down. This is my 4th day rocking it, so I did have to touch up a little bit in the front with some got to be glued freezing spray because it did start to lift, but the texture of this hair and the quality of this hair has been amazing so far. It's just that the wig that I received was pretty small for my head. So I'm looking right now and in the emails that me and the company sent back and forth to one another, it doesn't say what cap construction this unit is. And usually I tell companies, every time I get a frontal wig, I ask for a medium cap construction, but I'm not for sure if I even specify what cap construction I needed with this wig. So I'm thinking I got a small because, like I said, I never had a wig that was too small for my little peanut head. So if you do order from this company, I suggest ordering a size up. But this is a 360 frontal wig in 22 inches. It's 180% density, and I have the straight texture. And you guys know I don't rock straight wigs that often, but lately I have been into straight wigs with middle parts. Lately I've just been into middle parts. I don't know what that's about. My preference is changing up a little bit as I get older, but this wig is uber long. I will stand up at the end of this video. I'll have a clip and I'll show you guys exactly how long this unit is falling on me. This wig is a silky wig, but when I tell you, the quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. So don't let the cap construction situation fool you, because so far this AliBele hair has been bomb. And every time I go outside and walk around, and when I have to go places, because like I said, I have been wearing this hair for 4 days now, I'm turning heads. Especially women. Like, it's a lot of haters in here in Cali, so some of them give me the side eye, but a lot of them be like, oh my gosh, can I touch this hair? They really love this hair. So the luster and everything is perfect. It looks gorgeous in the sunlight. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did to help me adhere my wig when you get a wig that's a little bit too small. for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this unit down below. Did I make it work? I think she made it work, especially being that I did the middle part. The way I intended to wear this wig was half up, half down. So it's not ideal with my cap construction being really small. It just wasn't ideal to wear the hair in the flip over method how I had it in the previous clip. But I will leave all of AliBele's hair down below. Thank you guys so much for having patience with me. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.